Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my very easy chayote squash salad. We just need one chayote, slice it into different shape or size that you want. 1 carrots and also 1 honeycrisp apple. Then I like to add this salad dressing. You can use any kind of salad dressing that you want. Just mix it and mix and mix until they are well combined. And I like to add fresh chopped parsley to my salad. This is very easy and very simple to make, but very delicious. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comment or suggestion, just comment it down below and I will try to get back to you. And if you're making this salad, let me know what you think about it. Love to hear from you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.